Hi guys, my name is Rajat and today we are going to discuss about heart attack. Okay, it's very common disease seen in maximum people. Like for example, if I consider 100 people of or 100 heart patients, from that 98 heart patients have the probability to get heart attack. Okay, just because of the deposition of cholesterol or fat. Okay, and only two are with some other kind of problems like maybe heart hole or some other kind of disease related to heart, which can be cured by surgeries. Okay, so generally, if I talk about heart attack, so what do you exactly mean by heart attack? We should know that what is heart attack all about. Okay, so here we are going to discuss about basically that what is heart attack, why it happens. Okay, so let's see what is heart attack. Okay, so heart attack. So the word itself justifies that there is attack to the heart. There is attack to the heart. Okay, so what kind of attack? See, basically, if I talk about each and every organ, like see, heart also is an organ. So when I'm talking about organ, so organ has the ability to function only when it gets nutrients. So if organ won't get nutrients and oxygen, or in short I must say energy, if it doesn't get energy, what will happen? It won't process, it won't work properly. Okay, similarly heart also is an organ, so heart also requires energy, right? Heart also requires energy, so providing energy to the heart is necessary. So now we know that energy is provided to the organs with the help of oxygenated blood, oxygenated and nutrient rich blood. So nutrient rich blood and oxygenated blood, from where or what blood vessel in our body provides that blood to the organs? This is provided by the arteries. Now heart shows the presence of specific arteries for itself. That arteries are called as coronary arteries. So coronary arteries are responsible for providing the nutrients to the heart. Now, if at all some problem takes place in this coronary arteries, okay, and through this coronary arteries the blood is not able to reach the heart, so then what might happen? At that time there will be a situation, there will be a problem in which heart won't get, or a specific part of heart won't get nutrients. As it doesn't get nutrients or as it doesn't get energy, that part of the heart stops working, and that stopping of the working of that specific part is called as heart attack. Okay, now if I talk about heart attack also has an alternative term. We have heard about heart attack. Now heart attack is very general term, but there is one more term for heart attack, which is, I can say, medical term, which is called as myocardial infarction. So what do you mean by myocardial infarction? Let's understand what is myocardial infarction. Okay, so now myocardial. So myocardial reminds me of a term, that is myocardium. So what do you mean by myocardium? Now when I read myocardium, it recollects that there are walls of heart, okay, epicardium, myocardium, endocardium, there are different walls, different parts in wall of heart, right? So myocardium is one of the part of the heart wall. Okay, now myocardium shows the presence of a specific, or I can say very unique muscle, which is called as cardiac muscle. Cardiac muscle is the muscle which has the ability to rhythmically contract and relax. Okay, so here there is presence of cardiac muscle. Okay, now this is what is meant by myocardial, means cardiac muscle or myocardium's cardiac muscle. Let's talk about infarction. What do you mean by infarction? So infarction basically is obstruction of blood flow to a specific organ, or to an organ, which causes loss of energy in that organ, resulting in stoppage of that organ. Okay, That is, I can call that resulting in the local death of that organ. Right? So this is meaning of infarction. Now when I'm talking about myocardial infarction, what does that mean? It means myocardium's infarction. It means myocardium or cardiac muscles what? Death. I'm not talking that whole heart will die, but a specific part of heart may die. Okay? If immediate medical attention is not given to it, there might be a case that that person won't survive. That specific part may become a scar. Which part has died, that part will become a scar. Okay? So therefore, now why does obstruction takes place? So if I talk about obstruction, so why does this obstruction takes place? So this obstruction takes place due to formation of a clot or due to presence of a clot or air bubble inside in the blood vessel. Which blood vessel? The blood vessel which carries the nutrients or oxygenated blood, nutrient rich blood to the heart. That is in coronary arteries. Now how that blockage can generate? That blockage basically generates because of a basic, I am just giving you a basic idea, okay? It might be because of thrombus or it must be because of embolus. Now what do you mean by thrombus and what do you mean by embolus? So thrombus is a clot which is naturally or which might be formed in the body itself. Okay, you must be heard about thrombocytes. Thrombocytes are platelets. Okay, so basically here thrombus is formed with the help of which might be formed with the help of thrombocyte, but it is formed in the veins generally. Okay, and if I talk about embolus, what is embolus? Embolus might be a clot or a bubble, air bubble I mean to say, or it may be piece of fat which is present in a blood vessel and which moves from blood vessel to blood vessel. As the diameter of the blood vessel reduces, there might be a point where that embolus gets stuck, and if the embolus gets stuck there, it might cause 100% blockage. And as the hundreds, for example, this is the blood vessel. Here there is a thrombus or an embolus formed. Okay. Now remember this: thrombus is formed, embolus is already present. Now embolus, which is present, or maybe thrombus, anyways, it forms. This is a blood vessel, maybe coronary artery, and here you can see there is a blockage formed. Okay. Now blood is flowing from here. Blood cannot move further. Why it cannot move further? Because here 100% blockage has been generated. Due to 100% blockage, blood is not moving, and here the part which might be present here, which is getting this blood from this blood vessel, okay, will die. As it is not getting energy, and we know heart is a vital organ. If attack of heart takes place, I need to say death, a local death of that specific part of heart will take place, then it will hamper the complete action of the heart. Okay, so therefore the heart attack takes place. I hope you have understood. We will be continuing further. Okay, some other the remaining part, like causes, why does heart attack happen? Okay, we'll be seeing that. Thank you.